Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you have been following me, you know I have my grow tower here where I'm growing my different lettuces. I've got romaine up top, I've got butter here, and then at the very, very top I have some other romaines too, and I'll be having some flowers and other things going in there soon on the bottom because I have this. This is the BIOMAND Rockwool cubes, and I've been getting different Rockwool cubes from different vendors and things before, but I wanted to try this one here because it was a pretty inexpensive one and it's easy to use. You can see it comes with the Rockwool there, and then a few of them have fallen a little bit apart as I do it, as I try to break them. I mean, they don't break super easy, but I'm not that particular because I'm growing. I get it going and then I stick it in the tower and it goes. And I'm just going to show you it's the perfect size for this little container I have. I have done a review on this before. It's got a light that goes over it. And you can actually see I've got some things growing here, and I just planted this maybe 4 days ago. This is going to be my flowers. So these will probably be ready within a week to put in the tower. I guess I've got 6 of them in here. I just put some other things here, put them in the tower for the romaine at the top. So that's what it is. But you can see there, these are growing great. I mean, it's working good. So definitely pick up this BIOMAND Rockwool cubes. These have been working great for me. So thumbs up from me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description so you can pick some up for yourselves. Bye.